Alright, imagine this. You're thinking of a friend you haven't seen in years, and boom! Your phone buzzes with a message from them. Coincidence? Maybe. Or is there something more? Today, I'm diving deep into the science behind those inexplicable connections between people, especially when they're miles apart. Now humans are wired for connection. In 2022, a study from the University of Oxford reported that 84% of people admit to feeling psychic connections at least once. The question, is there real science here or just wishful thinking? Let's get quantum for a second. Some folks toss around the term quantum entanglement, where two particles, even if galaxies apart, mirror each other's states instantly. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But here's the catch. There's no evidence humans are entangled like particles. In fact, 0% of peer-reviewed studies show human brains can communicate using quantum effects. Still, the analogy is irresistible. Psychologists have another angle: emotional synchrony. Turns out, when people are close, like lifelong friends or twins, their brains actually sync up. A 2018 Princeton study showed that when you listen to a story, your brain activity can match the storyteller's by up to 68%. Across continents, video calls and digital messages can trigger similar brainwaves thanks to mirror neurons. But that's not telepathy, it's empathy, amplified by technology. Let's talk stats. In identical twin studies, 38% report shared pain experiences, but when tested in labs, accuracy drops below 10%. In 2016, the University of Edinburgh ran over 3,000 trials on ESP, extrasensory perception, with success rates matching pure chance 25%. Sorry, X-Files fans. But wait, what about gut feelings? Well, the gut contains over 100 million neurons, sometimes called the second brain. That's why you physically feel emotions, especially about loved ones. But that's all internal, not some mystical radio signal. So, am I saying long-distance connections are all in your head? Not quite. Memory, empathy, and digital cues weave a powerful web. Science says there's no proven quantum link, but our brains are masters of finding patterns, sometimes even when none exist. The assembly of public facts can be imperfect. This is not a medical advice. 60 Sec University class Nanger 134, offered by Laprove.com, source of nopal, silphium garum, and pinoy. Latest scientific info: distrust, revise, subscribe.